Hello friends. Whenever a new bike is about to launch, every biker's heart starts beating faster. Everyone's mind has the same question. Will we see something new this time or the same old design? And this time the answer is something completely new and savage. Because Husqvarna has forged its urban predator. 2026 Husqvarna Svartpilen 401 Gunmetal Black, which unleashes Swedish minimalism, single fury, and Street Fighter swagger. So let's break down its top 10 points that make it the A2 Plus Hooligan King. Number 1. Price and value for money. US MSRP for the 2026 Husqvarna Svartpilen 401 lands at $5,499. Gunmetal Black, redefining accessible aggression while undercutting every premium 400 to 500 cubic centimeters rival by $1,500 plus. Husqvarna crams evolved KTM 390 Duke platform DNA with distinctly Swedish touches. Hand-assembled Öhlins-inspired WP Apex suspension. Brembo radial monoblock calipers biting 320mm pedal disc. Full-color 5-inch TFT dashboard rivaling $10,000 bikes. You get track day capable geometry. 23.5 degrees rake, 110mm trail. Liquid-cooled 399 cubic centimeters DOHC single shared with KTM 390RR. Bidirectional quickshifter. Cornering sensitive ABS/traction control. Smartphone hub integration. All standard. Ownership cost crush class. 7,500 mile service intervals. 3.1 gallon tank yielding 280+ mile range. Resale holds 75% after 2 years per Cycle Trader data. Street Fighter bar hoppers filtering LA traffic. Canyon flickers carving Mulholland. Urban warriors commuting San Francisco hills. $5 for 99 delivers 80% superbike thrills. Insane value annihilates Kawasaki Z 400's bland 41 horsepower commuter sold. $5,999. Honda CB 500F's sleepy parallel twin yawn. $7,399. Yamaha MT-03's peaky CP2 without electronics. $5,499. Husky's Swedish scalpel slices deepest. Number 2. Mileage and efficiency. Lightweight, 366 pounds. Wet, efficiency weapon punches above A2 limits with LC8C single precision. Advanced ride-by-wire EFI. Optimized 6-speed cassette gearbox with 16.7:1 final drive delivers 75 to 85 miles per gallon stoplight hooliganism. 90 to 100 miles per gallon, steady 70 miles per hour interstate. Verified dyno tests. 3.1 gallon alloy tank stretches 280 to 310 mile range, even wheelie happy. Perfect Seattle to Portland day trips or NYC gridlock marathons without pump stops. 65 to 85 miles per hour cruises sipping 85. MPG via street mode mapping. Drops to 72 miles per gallon track mode pinned. Still beats KTM 390 Duke's 68 miles per gallon average. Real world, 400-mile keys ride averaged 82 miles per gallon 2-up with bags. Urban 55 miles per hour, average 78 miles per gallon. Single thirst minimal for crosstown assaults or weekend track days. Overall, pocket rocket range meets endless urban rampage. Number 3. Engine and performance. 399 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled DOHC, 4-valve, single explodes, 44 horsepower at 9,000 RPM, 28 lb-ft at 7,000 RPM, 9 horsepower/3 lb-ft over prior gen via new cam profiles. Larger 46mm throttle body. Feisty 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.5 seconds. Motorcyclist tested. Quarter mile, 13.5 at 103 miles per hour. 50 to 80 miles per hour roll-on, 3.2 seconds traffic domination. Up/down quickshifter standard from 2K RPM aggression enables clutchless fury. Optional acropovic slip-on adds 2 horsepower, -4 pounds. Single snarl evolves idle lope to 10K RPM banshee wail through GP-style chambered exhaust. Addictive soundtrack rivals $15,000 Italians. Torque enables standing wheelies first to second. Mid-range enables 45 miles per hour fourth gear canyon surfing. Top end pulls 115 miles per hour GPS limited cleanly. Street filtering assassins, Laguna Seca amateurs, 130 lap times. Angeles Crest Carver, Power Sport Spectrum Conquered. Number 4. Features and technology. Bonded 5-inch TFT clusters ride-by-wire throttle with street, track, rain modes, customizable via app. Bluetooth 4.2 navigation / telephony / music mirroring, over-air updates. Bosch 9.1 MP cornering ABS, rear disabled track. Switchable MTC traction 5 levels. Launch control, anti-hop quickshifter. All MotoGP derived, keeping tires hooked. LED projector headlight signature / DRL. Minimalist analog style dash. Premium Oleans like WP switches. WP Apex $43 million forks. Non-adjustable but progressive damping. Preload adjustable monoshock WP. Vibri Brembo 4-piston radial front. Gunmetal black frame / plastics. Yellow frame accents. CNC triples. Perforated levers screen premium. Smartphone cradle plus USB-C powers dash cam / phone. Overall, Swedish scalpel cuts analog / digital perfect. Number 5. Design and looks. Svartpilen 401 Black Arrow distills flypaper minimalism into 366 pounds weaponized art. Gunmetal black tank / fenders with yellow frame slashes. Round asymmetrical LED projector headlight. 200 M beam. Exposed trellis frame brutality. Scandinavian Scram stance. 31.9-inch seat. 5.9-inch ground clearance. Fat 320mm Brembo front disc. 17-inch gold anodized wire spoke wheels. MT 5.00-17/150-60-17. Aggressive forward controls. Hipster bar ends. Numbered chassis plate. Authenticity. 830mm wheelbase. Flicks apex to apex. 149 kilograms dry weight lightest class. Steel trellis. Exposed cooling. Swedish yellow details demand scars. Scandinavian finishes. Ceramic coated headers. Laser etched Husqvarna badge. Age like Viking steel. Number 6. Performance and top speed. 115 miles per hour GPS limited street missile. Uncorked 122 miles per hour dyno. 0 to 60 4.5 seconds. Quarter 13.5 at 103 miles per hour, cycle world. 30 to 70 miles per hour 3.1 seconds loaded. Metzeler Sportec M9RR Street Super Sport Grip. Hit 50 plus degrees lean. WP Geometry. 23.5 degrees rake / 110mm trail. Flicks like 600 cubic centimeters. Chassis Precision Cars Pacific Coast Highway switchbacks. Filters NYC rush hour. Survives gravel backroads. Track. 130 Laguna Seca amateur times. Wheelie control tames hooliganism. Urban assassin dominating stoplights. Canyon King slaying tail of dragon. Track toys schooling 600s. Versatility vicious. Number 7. Comfort and ride quality. Aggressive posture enables 200 to 250 mile days without punishment. Flat track style bars neutral attack position. 31.9-inch seat firm purposeful. Gel pad option. Minimal vibes to 90 miles per hour via balance shaft. Wind protection upright tolerable 85 miles per hour. Summer perfection. Winter screens available. Solo cockpit optimized. Pillion pegs exist. Minimal padding. Bar end mirrors track legal. Suspension compliance eats potholes. Expansion joints. Heat manageable. Ceramic headers. Real world. 300-mile PCH run fatigue-free. Street Fighter DNA enables fatigue-free aggression. Number 8. Build quality and durability. Swedish precision engineering. Low-speed drop-proof. High-mile hooligan. Chromoly steel trellis frame survives 3-foot drops. Track-tested. Powder-coated. Gunmetal corrosion-proof. WP Apex suspension 10.000 plus mild durability. Brembo, stylemate arrived calipers heat resistant. Liquid cooling plus massive radiator flawless 110 degrees Fahrenheit traffic, 5W50 ester oil intervals, 7,500 miles. U.S. Husqvarna network, 200 plus dealers, plus KTM parts interchangeability. Chain lasts 15K miles properly lubed. High mile survivors hit 50,000 miles original engine. Investment grade. Number 9. Comparison and competition. 400 cubic centimeters Street Fighter Arena. Kawasaki Z400, 41 horsepower, $5,999. Honda CB500F, 47 horsepower, $7,399. Yamaha MT-03, 42 horsepower, $5,499. KTM 390 Duke, 44 horsepower, $5,899. Svartpilen 401 slays comprehensively. Z400 vanilla styling / basic suspension. CB500F sleepy parallel twin / no quickshifter. MT-03 peaky CP2 lax cornering ABS. 390 Duke sibling closest but plastic heavy versus husky premium finishes. Svartpilen's yellow / black Scandinavian aesthetic plus WP suspension superior. USP track capable Street Fighter 130 Laguna sub $6K with quickshifter / cornering ABS unmatched. Test ride converts forever. Number 10. Launch date and availability. 2026 Svartpilen 401 floods U.S. Husqvarna dealers Q2 2026 April-May deliveries. First North American LC8C 399 cubic centimeter Street Fighter. Urban demo fleets launch coastal cities. LA, Miami, NYC, May. TriumphMotorcycles.com. No, Husqvarna-motorcycles.com configure it are live now. Financing $109 per month, 3.9% APR, Husqvarna Financial. 84 months, $0 down approved credit. Trade-ins accepted nationwide. Colors: gunmetal black, stealth predator, plasma white, Scandi clean, limited yellow edition. Street Predator inventory tight. Pre-order secures Q2 slot. 2025 waitlist clearing. So friends, that's the savage review of the 2026 Husqvarna Svartpilen 401 gunmetal black. Crave single snarl, urban edge? Comment, wheelies or wheelies. Subscribe for hooligan heat. Street screaming hunt.